I heard you got a nice ass and good credit. I heard you got your own cons and a real nigga fetish.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be reviewing the Outre Melted Hairline Mindy in the color number 1. This is what the stock card looks like. She's a deep right side part with big fluffy barrel curls. This is what she looks like right out of the box. She has lace from ear to ear, a comb in each temple, a comb in the back, and an elastic band, along with adjustable straps. This is how the lace looks up against my skin. And the parting space is not that deep. It's about 4 inches. So I'm just going to go ahead and put her on and see what she looks like and how she fits. She did fit pretty well. I didn't have any issues with like it being too small for my head or not sitting flat. The hairline is also very full. I wish it was a little bit more plucked. You can pluck it yourself, but there's not really enough lace behind those areas for you to pluck hair, because if you pluck too much you might start seeing the tracks. So I went ahead and took her off, and I cut the lace short. I didn't cut it completely off. I added my matte powder foundation to the lace, and then I put it back on. And what you see along my hairline is the red can, the Ebin adhesive spray. I sprayed it already. I don't know why I didn't show it, but I use it all the time. I blow dried it until it was tacky, and then I went ahead and pulled my wig forward. And I'm gonna just firmly press that lace into the adhesive spray to make sure that everything sticks. I do recommend wearing an elastic band after you finish this part. I'm not sure why I did not wear one, but it would definitely help melt the lace into your skin a lot better. So next I'm just gonna brush through the curls and detangle the wig, since it did come out of the box looking a little crazy. I just wanted to kind of get a feel for the style and how it comes, how it looks like on the stock card and on the packaging. So you'll see me just kind of like playing with it until I get to that style. And it's a really pretty look. I tucked it behind my ear. I just like hair to be tucked behind my ear. If I look a little awkward, it's because I usually part my hair on the left side of my head, and this wig is pre-parted on the right. So that was a little unusual for me, but I'm still gonna, style it and make it work. So I do want to mention that with the way that this wig is styled, how the curls are styled and how thick the wig is, even though it's very soft, it is prone to tangling. This is not really an everyday wig. This is definitely just like something you throw on when you have like a really cute glamorous event you have to go to and like really dress up. I don't think that this is good for every day. If you want to wear it for every day, then I would take a flat iron on like low heat and just kind of flat iron the curls out until they're more of like a loose wave. That way you can wear it, more often without worrying about all the tangling. So now I'm just, I've cut the lace, and I'm just going to go ahead and start with my baby hairs. And I decided to leave me doing my baby hairs in the video because they were super simple. I'm going to spray some more of that Ebin adhesive spray in between where my unit starts and where my baby hairs start. And that's just going to help me melt the lace. If you can see that it looks a little like ashy right there in between the baby hairs and where the rest of the hair starts. So this is just going to help me melt it into my skin better. And I'm going to kind of move a little closer to the camera so you can see exactly what I mean. So now that I'm finished like combing through my baby hairs, this is kind of what it looks like. So now it's like more melted into my skin, and it looks a little crunchy right now, but that'll go away. So next I'm going to go on with my Wetline Extreme Gel, and I'm going to use that along my baby hairs. And this is what I use this with my baby hairs. I don't really use edge control too often on my wig baby hairs. I feel like it gets messier, whereas the Wetline Extreme doesn't leave me with like any flakiness or any like white cast or any buildup or anything like that. So you just see me swooping those. I also prefer this over using mousse because whenever I use mousse, whether it has alcohol in it or not, my install always lifts. So once I'm done with that, I'm just gonna kind of blow dry those baby hairs into place. This helps them last longer in my opinion. So now I'm gonna just unclip my hair and brush through it again. And I'm pretty much done styling the hair. Like, it was super simple. I just cut the lace and did the baby hairs. It's already pre-styled. So this is what it looks like now that I'm done. So I went off camera and got ready, and now I'm back. I absolutely love this unit. The hair on it is very soft. Like I said, it is prone to tangling. I didn't get a lot of tangling when I was installing it, but just keep that in mind if you want to wear it for more than like a day or so, because it is very thick even though it's soft. I love how natural it looks. I'm so glad I got it in this color. I love the length and where it falls on me. It's just very pretty and simple. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below about this wig. I got it from my local beauty supply store, but I will try to link it in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.